Welcome to the channel. Today we're trying something new today. We are going to a place called Orlando Wetlands Park. And I gotta be honest, man, it feels like that movie Wrong Turn. You know, the horror movie Wrong Turn? And that's what it feels like. Check it out. Anyway, we'll see, but we might be turning back around. I don't know, but we'll see. We got a couple of miles till we make a left turn on Fort Christmas Road. All right. Anyway, gonna do some bike riding. Hopefully we see some cool stuff. The adventure continues. Go some more life. All right, we're at Christmas. As you see that little sign over there, and they always have that going on all the time. Fort Christmas Road. All right. All right. This is going to be a for real adventure. All right, Orlando Wetlands Park. Let's see what the sign says over here. Alligators are present. Do not approach, feed, or harass the alligators. Okay. All right. So I just those people over there, they just told me they saw a 6-foot gator cross the road. All right. Let's check it out. Okay. That's what we doing. We gonna keep our eyes open and our ears peeled. And if we need to hurry up and get out of here, we got wheels to do so. Okay, what we got here? Hold up. Check out this. Get out of here. They got a well, and it's like a spring. Huh. I ain't messing with you. Baby gator right there. See him? Right there. We got gators over here, man. We got baby gators over here. You better keep your eyes open. Got baby gators over here, man. Look at that. What's over here before I go any further? Look at that. Interesting. Look at that. I mean, they all in the water. Big bird ready to eat it. Hey, big boy. He taking off, make me want to take off. He sound pissed off too. Look at that.
big ass alligator right there. I'm up here messing around. What else is up in here, man? Big ass alligators right over there. What the hell? Let's get back up on this road. To be continued. I heard them plopping around over there and I'm like, wee. All right. I feel pretty blessed about right now. Cause man, that could have been hairy. Could have been sticky. That could have been big trouble. Wow. Wow. You gotta watch your butt around here, boy. All right, we got 2 alligators close to the road, and my man say,
yeah, they're not dangerous. They're probably gonna crawl back to the wetlands. So okay.
I'm gonna put my bike
Yeah.
in between,
Just in case of.
so they can bike the bike.
Yeah. Nah, it won't happen. I mean, I have been here like for, forever.
Ooh. Look at that. That's crazy. We got the little one right here. Yep. Whew. Made it through. Keep your eyes open. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Gonna watch these people and see what happens. This might be viral. Might be viral. We're gonna see. We're gonna see.
Yeah, there's a big one over there.
Oh yeah? Did you go around?
Huh?
Did you go around?
Yeah.
All right. Let's keep moving. Keep your eyes open and your ears peeled. You are close.
Got a turtle.
He's eating the turtle?
Yeah. Have you seen the osprey?
I have not.
Okay. That's where we're headed.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you go down Alligator Alley. You can see it right straight across. It's a big nest.
Okay.
I mean,
It's
Straight down that
kind of
way.
in between the two cell towers or whatever.
it's either mama or the baby that has grown that's sitting
Really?
up on top of it at the top.
So this go down this road here?
Yeah.
This one right here, this grass road. Right?
Alligator Alley, yeah.
Gotcha.
And then the bench.
Mm-hmm.
There's a bench on the left-hand side, and it's right across from the nest. Yep. Oh, yum, yum.
Okay, I'm gonna keep it moving. At least he got something in his mouth. I'm glad of that. Okay, we leave you alone. I'm glad he was already preoccupied. Woo. Hey, the journey continues.
I think it's time to go.
All right, we got paw prints.
Huh?
Paw prints. Let's see. Got a nice little size stride to them too. I don't know what kind of paw that is though.
Maybe it's a bobcat.
What kind of paw? What kind of paw print is that? I don't know. Paw print. print. Look at that one there. Look at that paw print. I wonder what kind of animal left that print. Anyway, this concludes the bike tour. Leave a comment down below. Leave a comment down below if you know what kind of animal will leave this kind of print. Can't hardly tell what that one is. I don't know. But it goes all the way down. And the thing about it is, they stay to the side of the road. They don't walk in the middle. They stay to the side of the road. Look. Right down this side of the road, all the way down. I kind of want to go down there and see what kind of animal that is. Would you do it? Leave a comment.